Endless Excel files are often used to record and track work equipment and devices that are subject to regular inspections. This makes it difficult to keep track of the correct maintenance of the equipment. Neglecting the inspection intervals can lead to breakdowns or work accidents, or in the event of an official inspection of the equipment and installations, resulting in legal or economic consequences. With the SAM inspection logbook, these problems will be a thing of the past. SAM regularly reminds you of upcoming inspections of a device or installation. Like this, you can schedule the inspections of the devices or commission a specialist company in a timely manner. If desired, you can equip the devices and installations with QR codes in order to scan them with the EHS Manager. This gives you the opportunity to carry out inspections directly on site, to record clearly any faults or repairs in the separate maintenance log, and to document the results of the inspection in the SAM database. Inspection management can be that simple. SAM, the professional inspection logbook software from Secova.